Want to make your Instagram profile look cleaner and more professional? Did you know you can pin posts and even add reels to your main grid? Most users don't take advantage of these powerful profile features. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to edit and customize your Instagram grid step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to Preyo Phonie, where I simplify social media tips and profile optimization. Today I'll show you how to customize your profile grid on Instagram like a pro. Step 1. Open Instagram and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Make sure you're on your main grid tab. Tap and hold the post you want to feature. Select Pin to your main grid. Your selected post will now stay at the top of your profile. Step 2. Go to your Reels section on your profile. If you want to clean up your grid, tap and hold the post again. Select Remove from main grid. The post or reel will be removed from your main grid, but will still exist in its original section. If this tip helped you upgrade your profile, hit the like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie. I share simple but powerful Instagram tips that help you grow and optimize your account. Step 3. Tap and hold the reel you want to show on your grid. Select Add to Main Grid. This will display your reel alongside your regular posts on your profile. And that's how you edit and customize your Instagram grid, by pinning posts, adding reels, and removing content anytime. A well-organized grid can make a huge difference in first impressions and profile branding. If this tutorial helped you, comment below with the next Instagram feature you want me to cover. Thanks for watching Preyo Phonie, where social media tips are simple, clear, and ready to use. I'll see you in the next one.